Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a customer. Customers should be created for creating sales invoices. They can be GST registered or unregistered. Selecting state while creating customer is mandatory. How to create a new customer. To begin, head to Customers under the Sales tab. Click on New Customer. Enter the necessary details, including the GST number, phone number, email, customer type, etc. Now to save the customer, click on Save. Your customer is now created. How to edit a customer. Now to edit a customer, go to Customers and click on Customers. Choose the customer that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save. How to delete a customer. And now to delete the customer, go to Customers. Click on Customers and choose the customer that you want to delete. Click on the Delete icon, and you are done. Thank you for watching.